2, 1. Bobby and Omni brought us a vision to Richardson ISD that we wanted to make a reality. That reality is why you guys are here today. The Richardson High School Hotel Hub consists of 4 hotel components to learn and practice the skills utilized every day in the hospitality industry, while providing them the opportunity to earn valuable industry-based certifications.
To create the learning experiences that happen inside, we need industry partners who can help tell us what that needs to look like and sound like.
Our ISD is the future, frankly, of the hospitality industry, at least as far as education is concerned.
Not only are they getting experience with industry equipment and an industry environment, but they are learning all of those soft skills that we know are equally important if students are going to be successful in whatever the next stage is of their career.
Thank you for your partnership. We are so thankful that we are able to help this initiative with you.